everybody. So today I figured I would just kind of bring you along with cleaning up my room and getting everything organized. I've been back to school for a while now, like 15 days, but today's kind of, I don't know, after the first week of school I've gotten some packages in. I've been sick this last week, so I'm still kind of recovering from that. So I'm just gonna like let you guys watch me clean a little bit, put my laundry away, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out a little bit.
Just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to.
I left my keys in my room. Security's coming to let me in.
Break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so as you saw, I locked myself out of my room. So that was an experience. Now I'm going to just do my like skincare routine. So I just when I get out of the shower, I usually I've been using the Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. This is just like a cream, I don't know, something. And I've been using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. So these are the two that I've been putting in my hair right now. It's just a gel and a cream. It depends on what I'm gonna do. I'll vary between that or like a mousse. First thing I'm gonna do with my skin, when I woke up this morning, I used the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance pads. These are just like the toning pad things. I really like them. They came in like a holiday gift set, so I used those, and then I put on, I used my Mario Badescu spray, which I'm gonna use right now. This is the green one. Like everybody has this, I feel like. It has aloe, cucumber, and green tea.
Someone else.
So I just spray that everywhere. And then I kind of just fan it down, let it dry, do its thing. And then after I do that, I have like serums that I use. I've been using serums recently. And I have this little sample. There we go. Sample of the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's just like a little tiny bottle. So I have that. I also got like a derma roller, like with the little tiny needles everywhere. I'm sorry if I keep looking up there. And it came with this vitamin C one, which is almost gone. So I got, and I really liked it. Like it helped my skin a ton. So I got the Mad Hippie Advanced Skincare Vitamin C Serum from, I think I got it off of Ulta, but it just came in. But I'm gonna finish up this sample one. Anyways, to finish my little story about being locked out, I was in the shower and I like put my towel on and put all my stuff back in my shower caddy, and I like reached over to grab my key because there's a little hook in there, and I always put it up on the hook, and it wasn't there, and I was like, oh my gosh, good thing I brought my phone, otherwise I would have been screwed. So I called public safety. I was like, hey, I locked myself out of my room, and she's like, yeah, I'll come let you in. So she did, and when you like do that, they have to like kind of not necessarily write you up, but they have to like take your picture and like get your information and stuff like that. So I'm also using some of this Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum on top of this longevity stuff from Bare Minerals, and I put it like all over my face and down my neck. Yeah, but that was a fun time. I FaceTimed Reggie and was like, guess what I did? Okay, so once I've done that, I'll put these away. I'm gonna again let the serum dry, and while that dries, I'm gonna put on this Anthropologie coconut sugar sea whip body cream. This came in my FabFitFun box. It smells so good. It's, I don't know, it just smells amazing, and yeah. Get a nice view of my long tan legs. Just kidding, they're not long and tan. I mean, they're kind of long, but not very tan. Yeah. Also, we still have our stockings up from Christmas. Oops. Okay, so once this is pretty much dry, I use, again, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. This stuff is like not specifically for, stuff isn't specifically for your face. You can use it like wherever, but it is really nice on your face. I also am using my little light up mirror from Kiss, which I got for Christmas. Ooh, that's really bright, I apologize, but I just want to see what I'm doing. And I kind of just put some dots around my face, and then I usually put some on my neck.
Baby, we should start living now.
I'm back and I just got my laundry, so I'm gonna put this away, and while I do that, I'm gonna watch Megan Grubb. If you don't know who she is adorable. She like she's from London, so she has an amazing accent. I absolutely love her. And she's a Gymshark model, but by far favorite YouTuber. So I'm gonna watch some of her while I put my clothes away, and I will let you watch this.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so I figured I would show this because it's so cute, but I'm gonna put it in my wardrobe because, I don't know, it's just sweet. So my boyfriend's cousin, her name is Cassie, she is so cute. She drew me this little picture, and it says, "To Andrea." And it came in a care package with a loaf of banana bread. So it's a good day. And 2 huge bags of cookies. My heart, I wanted to cry when I saw it. So I think what I'm gonna do with this is like put it in my wardrobe right here, so every time I open it I see it. Honestly, after that, probably gonna take a nap. So yeah, that's all I have today. Sorry, this was kind of just a boring what I do in my regular day, but this is typically what I do every weekend. I will just clean and relax. If I have homework, I'll do homework, which I'm probably gonna do some homework, but since we have Sunday and Monday, I'm probably gonna do some stuff with Alex then, because we have all the same classes. Otherwise, yeah, I just clean and catch up on things I need to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.